Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the devices discoverable and ready. Turn on Bluetooth and set visibility so they can find each other. This reduces pairing delays. Open the app you plan to share and confirm its package type, APK file or store link, because the method differs. Once done, disable battery saver and keep both devices within about 1 to 2 meters to avoid dropouts. Make sure you have permission to export the app. Giving consent now prevents interruptions later. You now pair and prepare the actual transfer. From the sender, scan for the receiver and tap its name. Accept the PIN or confirmation prompt on both devices. Next, export the app. Use the app's built-in share option or a file manager to locate and select the APK, or copy the store link if APK export isn't allowed. Choose Bluetooth as the send method when the share sheet appears, then tell the receiver to accept the incoming file. This sequence ensures a secure finish by accepting the incoming file on the receiver and watching the progress indicator until it completes. If you send an APK, install it by enabling Install Unknown Apps when prompted and following the installer steps. If you sent a link, open it on the receiver to install from the App Store. If something goes wrong, retry pairing first. Make sure Bluetooth cache is clear and both devices have space. If transfers keep failing, switch to Wi-Fi Direct or a cable for larger files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.